everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I am here to unbox the September's Boxycharm. Yes, I did get it back. September's Boxycharm. I know I'm a little late on unboxing this, but with the move and everything, it's like been crazy. So, how is everyone doing? Welcome. My name is Beth, and I am the Crazy Cat Lady. Welcome to my channel. So, I do all kinds of different videos on this channel if you're new, and coming soon, I'm going to try to do like some paranormal stuff, you know, just all around cool stuff. So this is how the box looks. Really, really cool. It comes with a card, but I'm not going to look at that now. Ooh, I'm liking this. And I just got the regular Boxycharm. Look at this. An eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I'm loving these colors. Really, really cute. Let's swatch some of these. Oh, look at this green. Ooh, I love that. Look at that green. What other one is really, really cool? There's a black. These are great Halloween colors. Look at the blue, the black and the green together. Cool. And then this is like a plum berry right here. And the terracotta one is like an orange. Ooh, look at that. The orange one. So those are some of the ones that are in here. I like these. Very, very nice. So that is the palette. Really nice. I like that. And it comes with these cute, different kind of Moto Pro 5 Deluxe eye kit. This is really nice. I like that. And it comes with a recovery sleeping mask. So let's see what this smells like. This is the smaller kit, which is fine. I want to actually... Ooh, it smells really nice. So definitely I want to do this. It's a hydro mask. So I definitely would like that. So that is it. So only got 3 items, but there, look at this. This is huge. I love this eye palette. This is awesome. So the eyeshadow palette is 30 bucks. So that pays for the $20 Boxycharm. Then this is $27.95. So you're right there covered. And then the recovery mask is $52. Love, love, love. So all these 3, I mean, just with the palette alone goes over the price of the box. So that's all I got. I'm kind of surprised. I thought maybe it would be one more item, but that's it. But that's okay. So to do a recap, I got the eyeshadow palette, the 5-piece, it has all these beautiful brushes, and the sleeping mask. So that's all I got for this Boxycharm. But like I say, it's only 20 bucks. I mean, come on. You can't go wrong with this stuff. So definitely get yours. It's awesome. And this is not, I'm not affiliated with a no affiliated link. This is my own opinions. I bought this with my own money, but I really, really love this. Really love this. I mean, like I said, look at these colors. These are great for the fall, especially around Halloween. I'm definitely gonna wear these. Love it. So that is it. I hope you liked this box. Comment below if you really like the Boxycharm. I didn't get it for a while. I, you know, took a little break and tried other things. but I really like the Boxycharm. I really think I get a lot of cool stuff, and at first I wasn't too sure about it, but more and more the boxes are becoming better. So with that said, I love you all. Thank you for supporting my channel. Remember, put thumbs up, like it. It don't cost anything to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And have an awesome day. Love you.